He knows he did something wrong. But I have his favorite toy. Come on! And he doesn't want it. He's gonna hide. What's in there, buddy? No? You gonna hide? It's not a very good hiding spot, bud. Because I can see you. Everyone can see you. Yee. We can all see you. Come on, Bubbush. Come on. Remy. Come out from under there. Come on. Come on. Remy. Remy. Yeah. Videotaping you.